ED is the inability to get the proper erection during sexual intercourse. This condition can be a serious issue for the men, and those who have been dealing with it can create insecurity to them. To treat this, there are lots of herbal remedies and herbal treatment, and there are also some natural remedies to get hard rock erection naturally. Following the herbal remedies ensures that you can get treated without any side effect. Taking extract of Gingi Biloba is the best natural remedy for soft and weak male organ. The main health benefit of this is that it improves the blood circulation, and it really helps if you will include this in your daily diet. Apart from helping to cure impotency, this herb also improves overall health and also provides strength of your reproductive organs. Other herbal treatment is licorice root, which is one of the safest herbs for soft male organ. This cure has been used for so long, and it also helps to solve other major health problems like impotence and premature ejaculation. One of the main causes of poor functioning of reproductive organs is anxiety and stress. This herbal treatment is a way to maintain the proper functioning of sex organs, and also it maintains the hormonal balance. The licorice root extract has been proven beneficial for circulation of blood in body and also in curing this problem. Third herbal treatment which is proven to be helpful in such situation is the use of Palmetto in the diet. For any type of reproductive disorder and curing this problem, there is an ingredient in Palmetto which is beta-cysteryl. This herb is also used since long time to treat various health issues, and this is an herbal treatment for soft penis that cure weak erection. One more herbal remedy is quechua bark. This is a kind of herb which revitalized your nervous system and helps in keeping you in good mood, which is in turn essential for functioning and growth of organs in body. You can get more vitamin D in sunshine that helps to get hard on. Deficiency of vitamin D may lead to erection issue. Along with the natural herbs, you can also take some natural male enlargement supplements. One of such supplement is Bluze Capsules, which is an Ayurvedic capsule to help to improve erection strength, and it will also enhance your stamina in body and works on giving your strength and satisfaction, and also helps in low sperm count. This is one of the most trusted remedies that people take, which is completely free of any type of side effects. These are some ways to deal with ED issues. Hope you like the post. Do comment if you have any query regarding natural male enlargement supplements. You can find more details about Bluze Capsules at naturogain.com.